Hello, I'm James Marland. I'd like to invite you to eWorld Procurement and Supply Chain on March the 4th. Like everything else these days, it is remote, but that means that you can attend without having to flog into central London. You can attend from your home office, just like I am. And I'm going to be giving a session called How Procurement Can Help Suppliers Become Innovation Partners. Supplier collaboration continues to be an under-leveraged resource, but successful companies get increasingly more innovation from suppliers than from their own people. I mean, look at my iPad here. When the iPhone launched, even Steve Jobs got involved with it. He had defined that the glass here had to be scratch-resistant, touch-sensitive, and shatterproof. And where was that going to come from? From our own labs? No, from a supplier, from their supplier Corning, who came up with Gorilla Glass. And 5 versions of that glass later, it's still one of the reasons for the iPhone and iPad success. So we'll be covering how to get the same kind of innovations in your business. Now, if you know me, my Twitter handle says likes hat and hates PowerPoints. So this session will be 100% whiteboard enabled and 0% PowerPoint. So please join me on the 3rd. The registration details are on the screen. It's free. I look forward to seeing you then.